Okay, the server where you told that some there is no problem for reporting services, they are able to access. Okay, go and verify in that server also.
To
Go and verify.
HTTP, sir.
Hold on.
Only HTTP.
Hold on.
Okay, sir.
Let's
Okay,
understand
thank you.
understand the logic before that. Okay, so
Okay.
wherever which server you have only one reporting services, or how many reporting services you are using?
Currently, only one reporting service.
One reporting. Okay, then go to the server, set with the service account, whatever the service account you are going to use, right? For SSRS, and verify. You need to get this kind of SPNs. Okay, you need to
Okay.
get
Okay,
this
sir.
kind of SPNs. SPNs. So
Okay.
if your SPNs are not properly registered, if your SPNs are not properly registered, that time you need to create a ticket to the Active Directory team. You need to register the SPNs if you are getting SSL handshake errors. SPNs are not properly registered. That's the problem. When you are running the with service accounts, there will be issue with the SPNs. Okay, if you're not properly registered SPNs,
Okay,
you
sir.
will get the SSL handshake errors. But the TLS fatal errors, what you need to do, compare whatever the protocols being enabled on your system where reporting services are running, where your database system, where what in the database system also you need to go and verify what protocols they enable, and the application server who is that customer who is connecting, what protocols they enable. That should be equally, you need to enable the protocols, not you, sir. Okay, your Active Directory
Yes,
team
sir.
you need to involve. Okay, and you need to talk to your Windows team as well. Hey, we are able to say this one. Okay, can you involve the Active Directory team? You need to involve the Active Directory team, Windows team, to see to register properly SPNs. Okay, to tell to make sure that you are using the same level of protocols, SSL or TLS protocols. That's the one thing you need to
Okay, sir.
do. You need to run set
Okay, sir.
hyphen
Thank you.
SPN hyphen L service account. Okay, if you
Okay, sir.
run this one, it will display this kind of. So for reporting services, this is how you need to get. For SQL, you need to get this too. For SSAS, you need to get this kind of two SPNs. So if
Okay,
SPNs are
sir.
not properly registered, you may face the SSL handshake errors.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That's 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 a problem with this Windows guys. Okay, they won't accept. So that's you need to just let them know. Okay, this is not related to our SQL issue. It's related to the fatal errors. Okay, connection is establishing, but we are able to see the fatal errors. TLS SSL protocol fatal errors they are getting. But we need to check all this stuff as a DBAs. Maximum people don't know about this concept. That's the biggest concern. That's the biggest problem, basically. So anyhow,
Okay,
we,
sir.
we are going to
I will
discuss all
ensure
these
this, sir.
concepts uh, in advanced level. Okay. Uh, what
Okay, sir.
kind
Thank
of
you, sir.
what is the protocols? What is TLS protocol? What is SSL protocols? What are the things you need to take in care? What is SPNs? If you're not properly registered, what kind of errors you will get it? Okay, either SSL handshake errors or you will get the target principal name is incorrect when you are connecting SQL Server remotely. Locally, you won't face any issue, but remotely only you will face the issue. Locally,
Yes,
it
sir.
will
Okay,
work
sir.
fine, but remotely, when you are trying to connect remotely, the problem will start basically. And even most of experienced people also they're not that much confidence in this SPN kind of thing. That's the problem. Okay, yeah. Any questions?
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, hi.
Yesterday, I have an issue, sir. Yesterday, application team connected me and said that in dev environment, the memory utilization is high. Then I connected to my colleague, said that in dev server the high utilization is high at 96. I have informed to him. He said that it is a normal behavior in working hours because due to many users. Then he told to see after 8 o'clock it will be in normal position. Then I have then I saw at 8:30, but the memory utilization is still high. What is the
Where
issue
you are seeing, sir?
in level one?
That's what I know a dev environment, but where you are seeing task manager.
Task manager, yes.
Task manager always SQL is the most lovable management memory. Okay, you never see the task manager, sir. If you see the task manager, always SQL is the most consumer. Most consumer. Don't prefer task manager, especially when you are troubleshooting memory. That's it. A simple idea. Now, if there is a memory pressure, who contacted you? There is a memory pressure. Anyone contacted you?
Yes, application team.
What they are getting errors?
Not error, just they have pinned me in dev environment.
Obviously, whenever they open the task manager, if application team, Windows team, again, if application team, Windows team, if they open the task manager, always the memory is the one culprit. How much memory you granted to the SQL?
Yeah.
How much memory you granted to the SQL?
I'm not sure about that topic, sir, but it is
Then,
96.
okay, let's ask a question.
Yeah.
If you don't know about how much memory you granted to the SQL, then what you are seeing in the task manager?
Okay.
I-
Okay, I will.
no, not only you, everyone I'm asking. You don't know how much memory is available in the server, how much memory you granted to the SQL. Then if you simply open the task manager, what we will see, sir? For example, if you open the task manager, okay, if you go to the performance, always I know that my SQL will be culprit. Always my SQL will be culprit. Always, sir, in real world. Okay, but I should not relay like this, right? By seeing that, oh, okay, oh my God, memory is hitting very high. Okay, I need to troubleshoot something. Okay, it's troubleshooting. Forget about troubleshooting. How much memory it is consuming? Nearly 1 GB. Nearly 1 GB. How much memory I allocated to Zoom? 1 GB. I allocated 1 GB. It is consuming 1 GB. I'm happy. What's wrong? Nothing. There is no wrong.
Okay.
How much memory you allocated to the SQL? Like for example, 54 GB. Now in the task manager, you are seeing the 53, 54 GB. Yeah, it's fine. I allocated 54 GB. My SQL is consuming 54 GB. What's the problem? What's the problem? Right? Agree? Not agree?
Yeah.
Okay, that is how user basically don't go simply open for memory, especially for memory. If you open the task manager, always SQL will be the most culprit memory consumer. Always. Don't relay that. Okay, don't relay the task manager always saying that okay, my memory utilization is 90%. Okay, so how much memory you allocated to SQL, that much only my SQL is consuming. What's wrong with that? Others are consuming, sir. We need to worry about others. Hey, Windows team, my SQL is consuming as we allocated that much only, but others are consuming more memory. Can you have a look into? Maybe system idle, maybe antivirus, maybe some other applications, maybe something which is consuming, maybe some internal programs are running. How much memory you allocated? SQL is consuming that much memory. We are super good. Until unless if you see that okay, you allocated 54 GB, total 64 GB is available. You allocated 54 GB for SQL Server, but in the task manager it is showing the 60 GB. Then the problem will start. You allocated 54 GB, but SQL is consuming 60 GB. Then the problem will start. Why? It is consuming more than my allocated size. Maybe some memory leakage. Somewhere it is leaking the memory. our troubleshooting should be start, sir. Don't rely on the task manager. Especially, there is a powerful DME you need to use specially. DM underscore voice underscore process underscore memory. This is the most powerful DMV, sir. This is also available in our GitHub repository. Okay, and you go for memory. So this is the DB voice. This object. Powerful. Come on, where is the script? Daily scripts. Let's go for no daily also. Somewhere I placed it. Sorry. So there is a DM visa, DM underscore voice underscore process underscore memory. Okay. Select star from this DMV will works is dot DM underscore voice underscore process underscore memory. Okay. I should not run directly this one. Let's go here. Let's memory. Demo. Yeah, this one.
Sir, we can check in standard reports memory consumption, right? The properties reports, standard reports.
There is simple method used. Why, sir? Why all this stuff? If I run this command, it will display how much SQL is consuming. How much SQL is consuming. That's it. Within my limit only. I will go and verify what is my total memory, 16 GB. How much I set it to SQL. For example, 12 GB. I have set to 12 GB. How much SQL is using? Sorry. How much SQL is using? 188 MB only, right? But in the task manager, it is showing 95%. Always, once it reach to the maximum SQL, it will stay back until you restart the server. So every day you will restart the SQL server? No, right? Once it reach to the maximum SQL maximum, it will stay back. It will stay back at 54 GB only. That means SQL is using 54 GB currently? No. How much SQL is using? 188 MB only. So they should not rely on the task manager. They should rely on the TMVs, performance counters.
Okay.
So memory troubleshooting is something different, sir. It's not like a CPU. Okay, I will open the task manager. I will see, hey, my CPU utilization is high. Oh, that means I need to troubleshoot. Memory is something different. You want to do in a different troubleshooting. Oh,
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Okay, sir. Now, as part of today's session, we are going to start the cloud. So till now we discussed about core components of SQL architecture, storage architecture. Okay, internal components like checkpoint, dirty pages, lazy writer, wall concept, eager writer, all we discussed. And we discussed about recovery models, backups, restores, backup strategy, restore strategies. We discussed scenarios, backup scenarios, restore scenarios. We discussed about how to switch the recovery models. What are the things you need to take in care? We discuss about lock shipping configuration, troubleshooting, failovers, failbacks, mirroring configuration. What is mirroring configuration, mirroring troubleshooting we discussed, and security we discussed. Okay, basic security part we discussed. Okay, a traditional security part we discussed. Along with we discuss about replication and different types of replication, and we try to configure transaction replication, merge replication, P2P replication, and we discuss lots of properties. And also we discuss about the indexes. Okay, how many varieties of indexes? What is fragmentation? Up to there only we discuss. We not discuss about the rest of the things. Again, going forward, we'll discuss the rest of the things. Till now, like almost 45 to 50% the subject is complete, sir. Again, it will repeat, sir. Same concept you need to repeat in when you go for cloud platforms. It can be AWS, it can be Azure, it can be Google Cloud, it can be Alibaba Cloud, it can be some other cloud, sir. When you especially go for the VM, forget about PaaS, sir. Forget about PaaS. When you especially go for the VM, the underlying concept is same. Whatever till now we discuss, underlying concept is same for everywhere, either in on-premises or in Azure VMs or in AWS EC2 instance. The underlying concept is same. That's what till now we discussed so far, right? And I think everyone, you've done the practice as well. Yep. No. Yes.
Yes, Subbu.
Yeah. So so far, any questions? Anything you wanted to clarify before we? So now what we are doing means, okay. Now we are going to start the Azure, sir, Azure cloud platform. Okay. First three sessions will discuss about the uh, what is Azure, why we are moving now, why industry is moving to the cloud, and what are the advantages we are getting, what are the different service models, deployment models are available, and what Azure is offering for us. And we are going to discuss about how to deploy a VM in Azure. Okay, how to deploy the networks in Azure. Whole this 3 to 4 session will discuss all this stuff. Then finally next week Monday we'll start the clusters. Okay, how to build the clusters, followed with how to build the always on availability group. Whole next week we are going to discuss the clusters and always on availability groups. Clear? No? Yes?
Yes, Subbu.
Yeah. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, nice. Okay, no questions. Yeah, taking it as a no questions. Okay, thanks for everyone for your great support for last. Almost we discussed. This is our 40th session. Okay, we discuss many things. Going forward, also we are going to discuss n number of things. Okay, n number of things when we are going to discuss as part of the cloud as well. Like how you shown any interest till now. Please show the same interest, little bit greater interest. Okay, because this is what actual DBA, what are the challenges now. We are going to discuss about the clusters, always on, load balancers, availability sets, okay, listeners, how to create the listener, how to access the listeners, how to create the DNN listeners, or about complete about always on availability group. And we'll also discussing replication with always on availability group. We are going to integrate the replication with always on availability group. And we will discuss completely Azure SQL database. Okay, end-to-end Azure SQL database. Then we are going to discuss the migration stuff, migration part. Then finally, everyone is waiting for a troubleshooting. Okay, next 40 to 45 days, 50 days, we are going to spend good amount of time in high level concepts. These are all high level concepts where we are going to discuss. Okay, and meanwhile we are also going to make some sessions like CDC, query store, partitions. We'll make some sessions. Okay, that will also you will get it. Additionally, yeah, let's see how it will go for next 40 to 45 days. So please be concentrate. Don't miss any sessions. All sessions are very important going forward because completely we are discussing the troubleshooting part. Okay, so we are discussing the clouds, we are discussing the cloud platforms, we are discussing the Again, we are discussing on cloud, how you are going to troubleshoot the performance tuning. On on-premises, how you are going to troubleshoot the performance tuning. We'll compare two things. Then you will get better idea when you are troubleshooting. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And stop me anytime. Ask the questions. I'm good, very good. So far, I felt pretty much interest because you are asking you the sessions are more going with more interactive. Okay, more interactive. You are raising the questions. The people who are already having experience, you are raising the already questions. Okay, we are clarifying most of the things. Okay, same. You already know that we are having a discussion group. Don't hesitate to post in the discussion group. Okay, as well, that they're also very important. And you find something better interested article, update to us. That's also very important. Now, let's before we start, okay, uh, how you feel so far? We almost completed 40 sessions, right? How feel so far? What you are expecting going forward? Everyone, one by one. Almost this is our 41 session.
Yes, sir. Slowly we are getting confidence as compared to previous before we are listening your classes. Really, we learn so many things, sir. So from my end, one request is I am completely new to Azure SQL. So please go from scratch level. If
Everything
anything,
from scratch only, sir. There is no hurry. Okay. We are going to
okay.
discuss
Thank you, sir. Thank
everything
you.
from scratch, but whatever you know so far, that we are not going to cover. Whatever you don't know, that is only we are going to cover. Whatever we covered so far, sir, we covered SQL
Yes,
architecture, we covered storage architecture, we covered checkpoint, lazy raters. That again, I am not
yes.
repeating. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Whatever recovery models, backups, restores, that we are not discussing. What new that we are going to discuss.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
sir. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Others. I just wanted to get some good inputs from everyone so that it will boost me as well. So how I need to take this session next 50 days. Almost there is 50 days, 50 sessions.
Yeah, so it is really productive. Okay, it's very good. And going forward, we are expecting the same way itself. And especially in the Azure, as he said, that is, we are expecting from the scratch level, and you have assured the same itself. It's good. Okay, thanks.
Yeah,
Definitely,
so
sir. Yeah. In addition for that one, okay, just hold on. In addition to that one, definitely, sir. Wherever, sir, again, I'm promising on the day one itself. This is not our day one. This is our 41 session. Okay. Whatever in my mind, okay, I wanted to transfer it to you. If there is no hide and seek, I will follow. Not only this batch, it's almost 42nd batch. Okay. So almost we are doing hundreds of sessions, live sessions only. So whatever in our mind, so I am delivering to you people. So if you are joining, okay, so the attendance is also so good so far. Maintain the same kind of attendance going forward also, because this is our DBA skill now. Now it is starting, sir, basically. Whatever till now you can find somewhere you can get it. But what you are learning from now, okay, now this is very interesting, sir, because we are completely going to the cloud for next 30 days. Next
And
30 days, we will be completely in the cloud only.
and we are expecting more from the troubleshooting and performance tuning level itself.
Definitely, sir, that we are going to spend 15 days. 15
Okay.
sessions means almost 45 hours we are spending on performance tuning. Each and every pinpoint I will discuss. Whatever I know, I will discuss, sir, again. I'm not like a robot. I know everything I'm saying. Whatever in my mind, that will make so, sir, my troubleshooting is something different. I'm not sure how you are expecting. I will show you the path, road map. Okay. If that issue comes, where to start, why that issue is happening, where to start, how you need to think, what checks you need to do, that will make so easy while you are troubleshooting, and how to
Yeah.
troubleshoot with couple of scenarios. Every troubleshooting, sir, like log file, data file, tempdb, CPU, memory, IO, 18456 error. So Raja, you will get everything in 18456 error. SSL protocols, TLS protocols, Kerberos authentication, NTLM authentications, SPNs, 18456 error. What are the challenges I faced till now so far, and how you need to overcome, how you need to think, not only from sir, always don't think SQL only. Yeah, I know. Always don't think Oracle is a culprit. SQL is a culprit. There is, because on top of Windows, you are installing a product. There is something issue with the Windows as well, right? Correct? I
Yes.
will give you a couple of examples what I struggled so earlier. Okay, how you need to think. How, sir, everything don't keep on your head. That's what I can say. So if you're, sir, if you're telling to someone, hey, I will work 150%, they will expect 150% only, and you are working only for 100%. You need to supposed to tell to that I will work 80% and do 100% work. They will so happy. How you are educating your application team, how you are telling to your Windows team, network team is also, that is also one of the big learnings are basically here. Yeah, good. Others, sorry.
Subbu, the way of your teaching is excellent. I have already ODME from my organization, but the way you are teaching, it's mind blowing. So that's why I joined. I saw your session on YouTube, and that's why I joined this session. And one thing is that I completely moved from in on-prem to Azure. So most of the thing I forgot, but now I got remember everything. So seriously, this was a very appreciated. So that's thanks from my side.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, Subbu, even I also want to say same. So far, the session has been so good and in detailed, beyond the expectation. So thank you for you. And one more thing, actually, I joined this session for the interview cracking purpose. Because I want to switch my job, so my desperation was just for the interview. But now I realize that even when you will get all the things in detail, interview is the automatic part. It will crack. So this is the like gratitude towards you. That thank you so much. Your like ability to deliver the topics is so good. It directly gets into the mind. So it is very good from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Subbu.
Hey, hi.
Yeah, hi. Actually, before I don't have that much of confidence. After that, you class only I have that much confidence. Actually, whenever I search for YouTube, I saw that one video. After that, I contact with Sai. After that, only I have attended the interview. I can select that. So you can good motivate also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
Hi, Subbu.
Hey, hi.
Yeah. So the last 40 classes, I am totally satisfied. And the contents you have given are mostly are all crystal clear and I'm able to understand very clearly. So you can continue the same for the rest of the classes, Subbu.
Promising you,
And
sir.
thank you for the
Definitely.
yeah yeah, and thank you for the extra hours. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks to, yeah, that's what, thanks. Only one request from I will ask to every batch to batch, okay? Time. I'm the most
So,
time eater, time
yeah.
consumer.
Subbu, one more thing, Subbu. So when the attendance is less, don't think that just go with the same way, because sometime due to some other things we have not joined, but we are going for the recording and
I know,
like
no, sir. I know,
attending.
sir.
So
I know.
So that is what.
Yeah.
Like I
But
missed complete
yeah.
replication due to actually I was on family vacation. But now I'm going one session per day from the recording. So that is how.
Okay. Yeah, definitely, sir. It's not like that. Okay. But feel because going forward, all our troubleshooting only, sir. We are beyond our expectations because that is what our experience is growing. So when you just start with you will start with L1, but when your experience is growing, your knowledge need to also grow. So how you need to think, that is what we are going to try next 50 days, 50 to 60 seconds, 60 sessions we are going to spend, sir. So whole next 1 month we will sit on the cloud only. You can ask whatever doubts you are having. We are going to discuss, and I am also trying to bring something additional. I don't want to reveal now. Okay, let's bring, sir. Let's bring. Okay, then you will realize. Okay, yeah, that is also one boost for us. I don't want to reveal the what I'm going to bring, but definitely till now we never discussed that concept. That couple of concepts we are trying to bring with well in advanced level. And maybe next weekend, we are going to cover the reporting services. I requested to Sai to spend 1 week to bring the session for Power BI and reporting services, installation, configurations, all the stuff. Okay, so what we are going to do, you need to, I will ask everyone, sir, whole team. Okay, the couple of sessions we are planning it differently. That sessions won't be in the regular, sir. That sessions whenever we are having some time in the evenings. Okay, in the evenings we are trying to bring those sessions, okay, so that it will save our time. Okay, it will save our time basically. So whoever able to join, don't hesitate to join those sessions, or I will post you. Okay, whoever available to join. Remaining peoples, don't feel that you can go for recordings next day morning. You can clarify all your doubts, or next day.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, sir, this is the fourth time to join the course, sir. But compared to there and here, I'm very much satisfied, sir. You're not like those people, sir. You're satisfying us very much.
So you joined 4 times.
Fourth time, yeah.
Okay.
And I thanks Raja for referring you, sir. Azure SQL.
Who is that? Who is that?
Raja.
Oh, right. Oh, okay.
He only referred me, sir.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. One guy from Singapore also. He will join every batch. He's Oracle DB actually. Okay. Yeah. Good, sir. Thanks for your valuable feedbacks. Okay. Definitely, going forward, I will promising you. Okay. So far, how much you learn? You will learn double, sir. Now. Okay. Double. Now see. Your understanding will be changed. Your thought process will be changed. My always our teachings are not our teaching, like myself and Sai. In the here I need to special thanks to Sai because he's my backbone. Okay, he is completely my backbone, sir. Because without him, I never come for so far. I'm teaching everything, but he's one of my backbone for me. Always I need to. I don't want to say thanks him because he's my own brother. Is my own brother. I feel like he's my own brother, greater than my brother. Okay. The people who will I trust in the throughout the global is only one person, that is I. Like I will also trusting everyone, sir. Every my student, I will believe that we are trusting, but maybe my response will be little bit delay. That's the reason I will ask you, don't wait for my response. You need to talk to Sai. If you're talking to Sai, you are talking almost to me as well, sir. Okay. Either in the technical, either in the process. If you're talking to the Sai, you are talking to me only, sir. Okay, better than me, Sai is the best. If SQL, first go to the Sai. Okay, in case he will tell you that he will directly say you that okay, he will clarify some doubts and he will tell, hey, can you double check with Subbu? That time, don't hesitate to call me. And one more thing, sir, I told you many times, and now also I'm telling, if you stuck and that is leading escalation and you are getting so nervous, okay, don't hesitate to call me anytime. Even it can be midnight, it can be anytime, sir. Don't hesitate to directly call me. Tell that, hey, this is my situation, sir. Okay. All the doors has been blocked. I'm in the critical situation now because my production is down. Something happened. Something I done the mistake. How I need to overcome this one. How I need to escape. Okay. Don't hesitate to reach out to me directly. Please, that is the one request I'm calling. You should not, even your batch is complete. Okay. Don't think, okay, still your batch only completed. Okay. No, that's what we are planning. Even I wanted to be a little bit active in the discussion group as well. Maybe going forward, once we complete this 15 to 16 sessions, I will be a little bit active in the discussion group as well because we wanted to learn a little bit more kind of different varieties of issues going forward. Okay. Uh, yeah, that's it from my side. So you can reach out to Sai anytime. You can, but try to ping him more. Okay, instead of calling him directly. Okay, so because he will be in the shifts. Okay, currently I'm in not shift, I'm in the general shift. No problem, but he's in the shifts. Okay, uh, ask him whether which shift is supporting for a week. Okay, if he's in night shift. Okay, whoever the people who is working in the night shift, you can reach out to him directly. Okay, because night shift only the problems are day shift. Someone can respond you, someone can help you. Okay, but in the night shift only the problem will starts. So when Sai is working in the night shifts, okay, I will tell to Sai to ping. Okay, he's going to night shift for so and so week, so that everyone aware that okay, someone is available for you. Okay, myself or Sai. This is not just completing for 2 months course, sir. This is until the DBA discussion group is alive. We are here to support you. Okay.
Okay, so thank you
Yeah,
very much.
that's it. It's not like okay, simply your batch is done. We are we are done. No. So that discussion group is there. You can post in discussion group. Okay. Only one thing is okay, help, sir. Always Subbu never help. Always Sai never help. What help you are getting, you need to help to others as well. Means you need to share your knowledge to someone who is stuck. That's the only one thing, sir. Of course, we are also working. You are also working. Someone is also working. The only one good attitude we wanted to see is from you guys. Take the challenge, whatever the post you are getting on the discussion group. Okay, but don't directly post the screenshots, sir. Please be aware because someone can misuse. Okay, in the group chat. Uh, okay, strike the server name, strike your name, strike the IP address, strike the database name, and better you can open the notepad and you can type the error message. Okay, and you can so far what you checked, where you got stuck, what is the next course of action item. So that kind of post you need to do it in the discussion group. That is the kind of vibe you need to bring, sir, in the discussion group basically. Okay, so your that's what I'm saying, your batch will complete on 2030. Okay. Then Naveen will rise. Naveen is there? Oh, he's not there today. Okay, chalo.
No problem, sir. Then we will get support till 2:30.
Yeah. So definitely, sir, always. It's
Yeah,
not
something
like okay.
different, Subbu sir. Most of them, I have joined for third time. 3 times I took the course, no, but they are only taking money, but they're not sharing the this kind of work. I mean subject, but you are not like them. I have told to Sai as well also.
Yeah, so many people, sir. I love the people. This is my 42nd batch. Okay, almost I tried many. I am not able to count sometimes. Okay, throughout the global, we are having the n number of students who loves not Subbu sir, who loves AzureSQLChamp. This this is what the game changers are. I love this respect. Okay. Most of the people I know the industry, I don't want to discuss all the stuff. Okay. But a couple of people are gems are than better than us. Okay. We can't, but always there is no hide and seek between you and me. That is the one thing I will follow, sir. Because you trusted, most of the people trusted me a lot. Everyone trusts our YouTube channel basically. I don't want blame in our YouTube channel, sir, because I should stand in the trust, so that in the going forward in the future also, everyone will trust. Okay, and even in the LinkedIn, I loved, sir. Recently only I came to YouTube channel. I won't post most of the thing. That is the one biggest minus in our. That's what I'm planning. At least in a week, I wanted to post something in our YouTube channel. Maybe after I wanted to make 15 sessions, I'm preparing all the stuff. Once that 50 sessions, I will come back every week, every 2 days, every week at least. I will try to post 2 sessions. One is the short, one is the major, and we are also trying to bring uh, PostgreSQL. That's one of the biggest upcoming thing what we are doing. How we are going to train the SQL. We will train definitely PostgreSQL also same, sir. And we are also planning for Azure Data Engineer as well. Okay, so because if I'm trying to bring a new technology, okay, how I am training you as a SQL, I will train like same the concept as well, sir. Because simply I won't prepare something and I will come and I will train, because I need to talk to a number of people who is working on PostgreSQL. What are the challenges they are facing, how they are working, how the working nature, working culture. Then I need to compare, I need to understand, I need to prepare myself. Okay, I need to convey you, right. That's very important. So we are planning the same thing for either data engineer or PostgreSQL. Definitely in the year 2024 in Azure SQL Champ, you will get a different technology. Different technologies. Again, we never miss the SQL Server. This is our key component for Azure SQL Champ. Okay. In addition to that, because our experience is growing, okay, even not only you, sir, my experience is also growing. Okay. So I also need to prove in the market. Apart from SQL, I know this. I know this. Okay. Like same like me, you also need to say that apart from SQL, I know this. Okay, because going forward, your experience is growing, expectation is also growing, and market is also expecting something else apart from single technology. Okay, and also definitely, finally, one goal for everyone's are money. You need to earn money. I need to earn money. You need to earn money. That's it. Okay, in the year 2024, definitely, we are promising, sir. Definitely, you will get any one of this technology, either PostgreSQL or Azure Data Engineer.
So, Azure Data Engineering is like SSIS, SSRS. It
No,
is
sir.
similar to that.
SSIS, yeah,
No,
yes, sir. Yes.
SSIS. Okay.
SSRS is something different, sir. It's go for like
Okay.
analytical tool,
Okay.
virtualization tool. Okay, visualization tools. Okay, whatever the data you can, like Power BI, sir. Best tool.
Okay.
Power BI. That's what we even I'm pushing the SAI like anything. I'm pushing the SAI. If he takes some responsibility from me, I will little bit relax. Okay, I can spend some time on other concepts. Okay, that's the problem.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. So far it's good. Okay, thanks for your great feedback. Okay, that's what. Okay, now today, sir, I'm not discussing that much. Okay, just it's kind of we almost 1 hour left. I don't want to make again so much later on. Okay, let's see something, sir. First, everyone is having one doubt, one question. Okay, let's stick with that one, sir, first. Why industry is moving to the cloud? Why industry is moving to the clouds? Before that, let me ask a question. What is cloud, sir, basically? What is cloud?
Set of data centers around the world.
Okay.
Cloud is nothing but data available on the internet. That's it.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Someone is saying. It's an open question, sir. That's it. We will discuss whatever we know, whatever we want to discuss. Okay, we'll discuss a couple of things because most of the people, everyone is telling that cloud is new for us. Okay, before I simply go into the concept and discuss, okay, these are things. Let's discuss what is cloud, why industry is looking for cloud. These two questions today, sir. Yes, but your voice is little low. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Subbu. So in my understanding, one thing is the cost, because they need to like invest a lot to build the infrastructure and the
No,
reliability.
first my question is what is cloud?
Cloud is the
Okay. Anyone?
Cloud is the uh, remote infrastructure. It will provide us remote infrastructure so that we can do our all the computing at over the cloud, so that we can avoid maintaining like infrastructure, our own infrastructure, so that and also we can get more high availability features. And also uh, so instead of we are doing manually maintaining our own DC like that, a cloud will provide infrastructure for us. So by utilizing those infrastructure, uh, we will do our computing over the cloud.
In a simple terms, can I say cloud is a data center, correct?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Right? In a simple, it's a data center, sir. That's it. It's a big, massive data center across the global. So see, take for simple for your example, sir. For your example, Amazon, Flipkart. Most of the people knows about Amazon, Flipkart. These are the most e-commerce applications. Okay, within India, Flipkart. Within global Amazon, most of the countries, Amazon is available. Okay, what they're doing, sir? They're selling the products, right? Yes or no? They're selling the products. So they're selling the home allowances, home related things. They are selling the electronics. They are selling the mobiles. They are selling the gadgets. They are selling the beauties. They are selling a number of things like a product, they are selling. Like say, someone think that, for example, they started thinking, okay, why can't we sell the server? Why can't we sell the network? Why can't we sell a database as a service? As a service. Okay. Now see, for example, forget about cloud, sir. Forget about cloud. What is on premises? If you think about on premises, what you will do whenever some project, like for example, any client, for example, any client, before they start, it will be small, sir. When you are starting a project, so for example, you decide I need to start one application. Okay, I need to start one application. You will construct a massive data center for that application in the starting phase itself. No, right? No, right? You will purchase one or two computers and you will start designing the application. either with a Java, either with C++, either with .NET. You designed one application, and you started deploying that application in Android, iOS, and you also created one website for that application, okay, which is mapping that application in the website, and you will make that website into the public so that everyone can start accessing. Now, first year it is little bit low connectivity, sir. Then going forward, the market is increasing. So they loved your application a lot. Okay. Whatever the services you are offering in that application, everyone loves it. And the connectivity is usage is increasing. Now, whatever the you purchase a small amount of a data center with two servers, sandbox, a small sandbox, that is not fitting. Now you want to expand. You wanted to expand, right? Now you start expanding. You are expanding your application, you are expanding your features, you are expanding your services. Like say you are also expanding your data center. You are expanding your data center, correct? Yes or no? Now, what is the biggest problem here, sir? To maintain the data center. That is the biggest problem for us. That is the most cost affecting cost, because you need to purchase, you need to see a secure place. Okay, you need to see the security places, and you need to purchase that place, and you need to deploy all your services on that place. In case if suddenly something happened, okay, you need to have one more backup as well, right? Earlier, there is less connectivity, no problem for me. Now the connectivity is usage is using. Now that application is growing to the globally. Earlier, that is application is using only within your premises nearby. Now it is using globally. Now you are increasing your data center like a massive. Now, if you suddenly you decide if you wanted to switch the data center, will it become easy? That easy switching? Sir, if you wanted to switch the data center, will that easy for you? No,
sir.
right?
No, sir.
No, that is the biggest problem here. To maintain the infrastructure is the biggest problem, sir. Everyone knows about Infosys. Okay, Infosys will maintain the massive infrastructure. If wherever you go, if you go for Bangalore, if you go for Pune, if you go for Hyderabad, if you go for Mysore, okay, it's like a different universe if you go for Infosys campus, where you can get everything there. Now, can you switch that infrastructure to different place? It is easy for Infosys? No, right? Yes or no? It's not easy, sir. So that is the biggest problem to maintain the infrastructure. Okay, that's the one major thing. To switch the infrastructure, that is a one major thing. To expand the infrastructure, that is a one major concern. That's the main problem, sir. This is what the on-premises people is struggling. And to protect that, this is also one. You need to protect, not only maintaining, sir. You need to protect that infrastructure. You need to protect, sir. That is also one of the major problem for us. Hectic problem to protect. Now, how everyone knows how the hackers are now in 2024. Okay, how you are going to protect that infrastructure is also very important. Now we wanted to protect. Now, over the years, we are struggling with this scenario. Over the years, we are struggling this scenario. Now a new industry, new resolution came to the globally. That is nothing but cloud. That is nothing but cloud. Hey, no worries. We will provide the data center for you. You can place your service like like a simple for your understanding water or electricity bills are. You are paying your electricity bill. You are paying your water bill, correct? So for example, you are taking an apartment in the 50 floors. There is a massive apartment, 50 to 100 floors. Within that, you are taking just one apartment. Will you pay only electricity bill, water bill for your apartment, or will you pay whole that massive infrastructure? What you will pay, sir? You will pay only for your apartment, right? Flat, only for your flat. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Like same, sir. The data center is the massive. What cloud is offering? Cloud is going to place the massive data center. On that massive data center, you are going to use a couple of servers, a couple of services, couple of resources. You need to pay only for that services. For that, you are not paying any additional thing, sir. Any additional thing. So, and if you wanted to switch, cloud is offering some tools. Cloud is also offering some tools to move the data. To move the data, cloud is also offering. And you are also having some internal tools where using that tools also you can migrate your data easily. You can migrate the data easily. So either you can use your own tools, either you can use cloud provider tools so that you can switch your services, you can switch your data easily across the global. Across the global. Got it? No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone? So the data movement is also becoming easy, sir. So you no need to purchase the infrastructure. You no need to maintain the no need to purchase the infrastructure. No need to maintain that massive kind of infrastructure. Infrastructure cost and everything is going to maintain by your cloud providers. So you no need to do. You no need to do anything, sir. You need to just deploy your services in the form of storage, in the form of network, in the form of database, in the form of VM, and you are going to use, okay, based on usage also, based on usage. So you can expand your services. See, one more challenge in on-premises is, so for example, take a sales team, sir. Sales, you know, Amazon sales, you know, Flipkart sales, you know, Black Day in US there is a Black Days will go in the month of November to December, somewhere around 10 to 15 days they will make as a Black Day. Black Day or Black Sales, some, anyone who is from, yeah, sales time. So what will happen, sir, in that time? What will happen, sir? The connectivity will be increased, right? Yes, no? The traffic will be increased, the connectivity will increase. So for example, in regularly for your application, you configure for 1,000 servers. In regular days, you configure 1,000 servers. And suddenly you are going to announce the sales time. That time the traffic will be definitely used, the connect will be definitely used. You think that, okay, 1,000 servers are not fit for my application. I need to increase like a 3,000 to 5,000. Sometimes even that 3,000 to 5,000 is also not sufficient. You need to scale 10,000 servers on fly. That is not possible in on-premises easily, but that is possible when you go for cloud. Scalability. Scalability. You can scale your servers. You can scale out. You can scale in the server. There is a concept called auto scaling. There is a concept called auto scaling. Using auto scaling, you can scale your applications like anything, sir. You can scale your application like anything. Got you? No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes,
Okay. That is not easy in on-premises. If you wanted to scale after this, sir, sales time will be only for 1 week or 3 days or 4 days or 5 days or so many days, sir. So many days. Okay. After the sales time, again, you don't want 10,000 servers, right? Again, you need to back to 1,000 servers. If you take on premises, you already purchased 10,000 servers, where you will keep the 10,000 servers, sir. Correct? But in the cloud, you can just decommission all the servers. Automatically, it will do, sir. You no need to do. Okay, if you go for Azure admin, if you go for AWS admin, okay, definitely you need to know about this concept called auto scaling concept, where you can scale up your applications, where you can scale down your applications based on the connectivity, based on the CPU, based on the memory. So there are some rules are there. So based on the rules, if it is crossing that one, mass backend, it is creating the exact replica of the VM. Basically, this is not applicable for DBS, sir, but this is applicable for application servers, right? Yes, no. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. So why my industry is, what is cloud means? Basically, a massive data center throughout the global. Throughout the global, you are having a massive data center, sir. If you search for Azure data center graph. Uh, hmm, where I kept it? Come. Okay, let's open some pictures. You will get better understanding, sir. Yeah. So throughout the global, we are having n number of data centers, sir. Okay. This is India, right? Yeah. This one, right? India. Yeah. Yes. In India also, there are 4 data centers which are hosted. Okay. Earlier, there are three data centers, sir. Now Microsoft has been increased. Now they made 4 data center. Newly, they are constructed in the Delhi as well. Earlier, we are having only 4. One is Chennai, one is Pune, one is Mumbai. Now we are having one more data center in Delhi as well. So this is reason. This is reason. In a country is a region, sir. Region. Okay, region. Within that region, okay, there are zones. Zones is nothing but technically speaking, data centers. Zones are nothing but technically speaking, data centers are. In one regions, we are having n number of zones. In one regions, we are having n number of zones. N number of zones means wherever you are going to place you can select the region, sir. You no need to you no need to select the zones. Okay, automatically Microsoft will place any one of the zone your data, any one of the zone your data. But in AWS, if you go for AWS, we can choose the zones as well, sir. There is one advantage with AWS. When you go for AWS, you can go for region and you can also choose the zones, which zone I wanted to keep my data. But in Azure, you are going to select the region. Within that region, your data will fit any one of the zone. And Microsoft is also maintaining zone level redundancy, region level redundancy. Okay, all we are going to discuss are when we start discussing one by one IaaS platforms. Okay, so when we are discussing infrastructure as a service, all will come into the picture like VMs, networks, storage account, disks, okay, and Azure Active Directory. Now Microsoft changed it as a Entra ID. Okay, we are going to discuss not like complete Azure admin people, sir. We are discussing how much we need for a DBS. Okay, being we are not a Azure admin people. Okay, so how much we need for SQL DBS? Okay, what are the things? Because maybe in on-premises you won't get chance to increase the disk size. Okay, mostly you will create a ticket to the storage team to increase the disk size. But maybe you may get a chance here. You need to go and extend your disk. So when you are extending the disk, what are the things you need to take in care? Okay, because here there is a concept called LUN concept will come. How the stories are fitting in the LUN, what is the LUN, which LUN your disk is standing. Okay, we will discuss a little bit advanced level going forward. Okay, uh, so easily. So if you wanted to switch your data, so here one advantage, you are having your own tools. Even your cloud provider is also providing tools to move the data across the regions, across the zones, okay, across the zones. So you can place wherever you want the data, and you can access publicly, Lisa. You can access publicly, and you no need to. Here the main advantage is you no need to maintain the infrastructure. Correct? Okay, you no need to worry about the scalability. Scalability. One advantage is scalability, sir. Sales time. Okay, there is a sale in the sales time. You need to scale your applications. You need to scale your application. Otherwise, your application will crack. Definitely, sir. Okay, that is easy when you go for cloud. If you go for AWS, if you go for Azure, if you go for Google Cloud or Alibaba Cloud. Okay, so that is the scalability is. Your infrastructure cost is reducing. You can maintain your data across the global. You can maintain across the global, and you can move the data across the global. Little bit easier when you compare with. Okay, of course, cost. Cost is little bit cheaper, sir, when you compare with on-premises because. But only one thing is, okay, danger is data. We are keeping our data in someone else's data center. It can be Azure, it can be AWS, it can be Google Cloud, whatever, sir. Okay, we are keeping our data in someone else's data center, right? We will get a little bit panic sometimes. Basically, banking sector, insurance sector, government sector. What they will do also we are going to discuss, sir. There is a concept called government cloud. Okay, in Azure itself only there is a concept called government cloud. So whatever the government related applications, data, projects that will be more securable, more reliable, more cost is cost is also a little bit higher. So what they will do, right? They will maintain within that region only. They won't move that data to the outside the region, outside the region. So government clouds. Again, it's Azure only, sir. In Azure only, we are having green cloud, government cloud, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, okay, community cloud, quantum cloud, different clouds are there. Don't get confused all this stuff. There is a provider, Azure only, sir. Azure, AWS, okay. But when you are going to deploy, what kind of application is, what kind of sensitive data it is, you need to talk to your cloud provider. Hey, my data is this one. My is very sensitive. This contains, okay, some information related to government. You should not move this data from outside India. You should maintain within India only. You should maintain within UK. You know how UK will be so strict with the data. They never move the data outside their country, sir. Like same India also, every country is following now. You know that, okay? One of the most culprit country in entire global also, we know 2 to 3 countries are culprit countries. So we need to secure our data. So when you are going to deploy, okay, there are different types, sir, where you are going to deploy. Okay. I deemed it clear, not clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
So what is cloud, sir? It's a data center. That's it. Very simple answer, sir. Very straightforward answer. Cloud is nothing but a data center, a massive data center throughout the global. You can see throughout the global, and you can access anything, anywhere, and you can deploy wherever. So, for example, I'm in India. I decide to design one application in India, but mostly I am designing this application for the US people. So, where I need to keep my data center, sir? In US, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. I need to keep application. I need to keep my application in India, but I need to keep my data in US because that application, whoever using that application, their data is storing in US only, US data only. So my data need to be in US, and my application also, they may decide, sir. Most of the application, most private application will keep in the US only, and the public application they will keep across the global, because maybe that application using in India, maybe that application using in Australia, maybe that application is using in Singapore. Okay, they will keep that application, public application, in across the global, so that they can access, which will make little bit comfortable when they are accessing the application faster. Okay, so that's it. One is cost efficiency, one is scalability, one is accessibility, one is data movement. Data movement is also a little bit easier, sir, when you especially go to the cloud. All these are advantages, but only they are telling that we will secure the data, and reliability also, sir, reliability, and they are going to maintain the reliability as well. Okay, not okay, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay, sir.
Okay, so yeah, that's it, sir. I don't want to discuss more today. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss cloud intro, sir. Now you got some idea, sir. Cloud is nothing, it's a data center only. There is no, don't think that okay, it's something different where I need to learn something different. No, sir, it's like a data center, your data center only. But it is offering different platforms, sir. Okay, it is offering different platforms. Let's see one by one going forward. Yep.
Okay, sir. Okay.
yes. So
Thank you, sir. See you tomorrow.
So I have a little bit of doubt.
Yeah, I will call you, sir. I think I will call you. Every day I'm forgetting. You pinged me. Okay.
This is regarding about the yesterday's classes actually.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, this is regarding about the yesterday's class.
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Okay, actually, what's happened is I have created a table and primary key also clustered index. Okay, and also the non-clustered index on another column. But when I try to this one access the table using the non-clustered index, still it is using the primary key only. That means the clustered index only. I don't know why it is happening like this.
You shared the screenshot.
Yeah. Because I have selected on the work condition, I have given the non-clustered index.
Yeah, that's what, sir. Yeah. Going forward, you will get to know, sir, all the stuff. Okay. Yeah. No
Okay,
worries. As of
okay.
now, no need to worries. But going forward, that's what we are going to discuss. What
Because as per
SQL is
the,
thinking.
yeah, as per the condition, this one that should be non-clustered index only, right?
Yes.
But it's showing clustered index.
Okay. No problem, sir. We'll discuss.
Okay, okay. Okay.